All right. The bird is a word. Welcome back to another video. I'm still in Minnesota. I did one more inspection. All right, photos are up. That would be something good to get a drone shot of. Tell you what, we're not running behind. Let's take a look at the drone. We got 51% in, so we'll switch those out. Take that off.
Take off. The hardpoint has been updated. Please check it out.
All right. The largest statue of a crow in the whole wide world.
What did I do today?
But let me turn that off because we don't want a copyright notice. So I've stopped at this truck stop and there's not an abundance of restaurants in this area of Minnesota. They're few and far between. So I'm gonna try this truck stop out and head on to the war room. The Chevy might be dirtier than it's ever been. And that is not gonna change today. Well, unless it rains maybe. Now it needs a little TLC. I'm missing my center cap on my wheel. This side, my original, got a little bent and it's leaking again, so I've got my spare on. And I've had to add a few cans of refrigerant to keep my air conditioning going. So the Chevy needs a little attention when I get back to South Carolina, which should be Sunday if everything goes as planned. But look at this guy. That's a good looking truck. Something tells me this place isn't open anymore. Cafe closed.